Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona, and this is your question of the day. So, somebody asked me, they said our former nanny took pictures of our toddlers at her house. We asked for a copy and she refused. She posted the photos on Facebook and we asked her to remove them and she won't comply. Is this legal? Wow. That's a little disturbing. I guess now that we are such an internet-based society where everyone has a camera in their back pocket, it makes sense that nannies are like taking pictures of the kids they're watching to like send them to the parents to say, "Hey, this is how your kids are doing." But posting them online, that's a no-no. From a human perspective, about like, "Hey, you're working for us, our rules. If you share photos with us, don't post them online." It sounds like a standard thing. So if this person is affiliated with an agency, I would report them. Um, if it's a situation where they're just an independent person and they're just being like, no, I'm going to do this, that sounds problematic. And depending on where you live, that may be illegal. So there may be laws about photographing children. Um, there was even a situation, this was over in Europe, where the general data protection regulation applies, where the government ordered a grandma to take photos down of the grandkids because the parents objected on privacy grounds. So you may want to look into the local laws where you live about when people can and can't take photos and post them without permission. Um, this may be a situation, depending on how the laws are written, where what she's doing is wrong from a human perspective, but from a legal perspective, it's completely legal. So, which would be frustrating. But definitely something to keep in mind for anybody who's hiring a nanny, a babysitter, even a childcare provider where it's like a nursery school or a third-party daycare. Make sure you know and you discuss up front, like these are the rules about photographing my kids and what you can and can't do with them, because it's much better to address the problem up front so that you don't have to deal with it later. But yeah, that's really it's mind-boggling that this person is posting pictures of your kids without your permission. And they're a professional nanny. So that's just, how does someone think that that's okay and that's good for their professional reputation? That is also something you may want to look into if there's review sites for nannies. If they, make a post saying, hey, this is what's going on with this nanny, and give other potential, families a heads up of this may not be somebody you want to hire because this is how they act. So even if the law is not on your side, the law of public opinion might be. Of course, watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship with any viewer. Merely legal information, not legal advice. If you need legal advice, go hire someone. If you're in this type of situation, I recommend you go hire someone to find out what the laws are where you live. That's all I have for now. I put out new content every week, so please subscribe to the channel. And until then, I will catch up with you later. Take care.